Welcome back to our fourth module on monitoring, reporting, and verification. So we're going to start off by talking about why transparent impact tracking matters. Here's a frustration you might recognize. You do great work, but proving it is incredibly difficult. Traditional impact reporting is often slow, expensive, and unconvincing. And by the time a glossy annual report comes out, months have passed. The data went through so many hands that skeptics can always question it, and donors increasingly want more than trust us. Blockchain offers a different approach. What if every meaningful impact metric was recorded in real time on an immutable public record? What if verification didn't require trusting any single organization? What if the data was structured so that anyone, whether it be donors, regulators, or researchers, could independently verify claims? This is what monitoring, reporting, and verification on blockchain looks like, and it's already being used for some of the most complex impact challenges we face. Carbon credits are a prime example. The carbon offset market has been plagued by fraud and double counting. When someone plants a forest, how do you know the trees actually exist? How do you prevent the same carbon reduction from being sold twice? Blockchain-based MRV systems use satellite data, IoT sensors, and cryptographic verification to create trustworthy records that anyone can audit. Aid disbursement is another application. When a refugee receives a cash transfer, that transaction can be recorded on-chain, including when, how much, and to whom. And I'm not talking about personal information here, but verifiable proof that aid reached its intended recipients. This builds trust with donors and helps organizations demonstrate effectiveness. Another great example is supply chain tracking, which lets consumers verify that their fair trade coffee actually came from certified farms or that their sustainable seafood wasn't caught with forced labor. The claims become verifiable, not just some marketing seal on a can at the grocery store that can't be proved. So for your organization, blockchain-based MRV could mean moving from trust us to verify yourself, and that shift has the potential to fundamentally change relationships with funders and stakeholders. We'll see in the next video where we're going to continue our chat on MRV and talk about on-chain data collection.